Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be just doing a quick walkthrough of my, this is a beautiful bag, of my Tarot de la Nuit. I think that's how you say it. Tarot deck. So, this is the outside. It's okay if they come in. Some images from the deck out here. The only thing I actually, the only thing I don't like about this is this thing just flies right off. So sometimes, numerous times actually, the deck has spilled everywhere. So that kind of annoys me. Hey, cállate ya. Sorry, JoJo's being a dick. Tarot de la Nuit. This is a little book. It's pretty nice book. It's pretty hefty. There's an extra card. And they talk about that. So it's not just your standard tarot deck card, but it's also one extra card. Let me see what her name is. I forget. The bonus card is L'Ange de la Nuit, so the Angel of Night. It's got some information on there. And it tells you like how to use it with its own little spread, suggestion, and then in different languages, the information. So, here's the back. As you can see, I haven't modded, or I don't do any of that. I just use them the way that they are. I'm going to kind of scruff them up and bang them up, and I'm just not creative in that way. So here's the back, and let's check it out. They're still in order because I've never really used these. So very pretty. The Fool's really pretty. Magician. High Priestess is really, really pretty. She reminds me of Galadriel. The Empress is, you know, she's really pretty. She's just not what I think of. And so also the Magician is not what I think of either. But, and technically the Fool's okay. She looks innocent. And in the context of innocence, it looks like what I would think. The Emperor looks pretty cool. The Hierophant looks pretty cool too. He looks less of a pedophile, but more slippery in this deck. The Lovers are cool. Chariot, it's a little different than I'm used to. Strength. It has definitely similar feel, but like at the same time different. The Hermit. The Wheel. Justice. Yeah, she has her scales, but they're not balanced. It's okay. He's just licking something over here for some god-awful reason. Okay, the Hanged Man is really pretty. I like this one a lot. I love the Death card. Oh, she is so beautiful. I love calaveras. I wish I would... This is probably my favorite Death card, bar none. The rest of the deck, I could take it or leave it, but I would love... If I made a deck, my Death card would look just like this. Like Santa Muerte. Temperance is pretty cool. The Devil, I mean, it's not what I think of as the Devil. The Tower looks pretty cool. It reminds me of, like, The Ring. Saruman. Or Sauron, whoever the wizard was. I always get those two confused. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. The Ace of Cups. I'm not really even seeing cups here. The Two of Cups. The Three of Cups. So here's the first time I've seen cups. And I think of, well, I think of something else. This is a different rendition of it. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. The stick is very moody to me. I mean, I'm not saying it's not beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. But it's very, I hate to use this word, but it's very emo. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. It's just really deep and dark. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. It's a very female-centric deck as well. Almost all of the cards are females. Ace of Pentacles, or portray females. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Four. This one reminds me of Swan Lake, right? Black Swan. Eight of Pentacles, and I think they're playing heavily on illusion there. Nine of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. It looks like Elsa. Knight of Pentacles. And there's probably some fairy tale stuff that I'm not grasping here because I'm not familiar with this. Queen of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles. Again, very handsome. At least the dudes that they do portray are really handsome. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. It's very pretty art. Five of Wands. Just open it, babe. It's okay. Six of Wands. He's unpacking stuff back there. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands, like, for me, Eight of Wands, like, portrays, like, swiftness and movement. And she doesn't look like she's moving swiftly to me. Nine of Wands. 10 of Wands. That's pretty good. Burning. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands is a vampire, I guess. I think maybe they all are. I'm not sure. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Ouch. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Six of Swords. Seven. 8. 9. 10. This is definitely not what I think of when I get the 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. I guess it's definitely could be. Oh, it looks like Jon Snow. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. The King of Swords. He looks like a bad guy. Angel de la Nuit. And there it is. That is this deck. It's okay. All things considered, the art is exceptionally beautiful. It's definitely a darker, moodier tarot, which of course, Tarot of the Night, obviously. So it's definitely got that theme. I see inspiration of a lot of different fairy tales and pop culture references that are really, really cool too. I do believe in pulling those references in to kind of get the full effect of the symbolism and the storytelling behind the deck. I haven't worked with it very much, so I'm not really super connected to this deck at the moment. I do like the comparison aspect, so I'm going to be doing that in the future more. All things considered, it's lovely. So this is it. Tarot de la Nuit. and I hope I'm saying that correctly. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Love you so much. See you soon.